Hello and welcome to our channel. The popularity of NFTs skyrocketed during the pandemic, leading many investors to consider buying them. Artists, collectors, and speculators alike have joined the movement as cryptocurrencies and other digital assets have skyrocketed in value. Whether this is an unsustainable bubble ready to burst or the birth of a new class of long-term investment assets remains to be seen. But first, let's learn a little more about NFTs and how they work, as well as some popular NFT crypto projects. So, let's go!
NFT is an acronym for non-fungible token. These non-variable tokens are kind of digital collectibles, just like trading cards. Non-variable tokens can represent physical assets, such as art and real estate, and digital assets. NFTs are very similar to cryptocurrency in that both are blockchain-based and have a monetary value. You could say that a non-transferable token is essentially an indivisible and unique cryptocurrency token. An NFT will never be completely identical to another NFT, which means they are handy for proving the authenticity and origin of rare virtual and tangible assets. This is why NFTs offers many options for creating and exchanging digital assets, such as original artwork and blockchain-based games, such as the previously viral phenomenon CryptoKitties.
A swappable asset is interchangeable with any other similar unit of that asset, such as cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or fiat money such as INR or USD. Convertible assets are also divisible, meaning they can be divided into smaller units with all the properties of the original investment.
NFT is an indivisible and unique cryptocurrency. Each NFT's cryptocurrency has a computer code that defines it as a single token with a given virtual identity. Thus, one NFT cannot be exchanged for another NFT, just as an NFT cannot be split into multiple units. In addition, each NFT has characteristics that distinguish it from others. These characteristics may consist of metadata, visual images, and so on. The value of an NFT depends on how much traders value its features. Thus, by exchanging one ETH for another ETH, you are exchanging one identical asset for another. Neither side of the transaction lost value, both counterparties still have one ETH each. But if you trade one NFT for another token, they will be completely different. The Ethereum blockchain is the most popular platform for creating NFTs because non-transferable tokens are usually based on the ERC-721 token standard. The ERC-721 standard speaks to a set of attributes that every NFT cryptocurrency should have. However, it does not set rules or limit any potential details that developer may want to implement in their non-transferable tokens.
Suppose you send someone ETH via a transaction on a blockchain. In this case, a ledger entry is created. When it comes to NFT cryptocurrency, a ledger entry is similarly created with an NFT file address indicating ownership of that non-functional token.
When you transfer an NFT to another trader, the token code is also assigned to that trader, so ownership of the token can be easily verified by checking against the blockchain ledger. Like Bitcoin, NFTs contained owner data for easy identification and transfer between token holders. Owners can add metadata or any attributes concerning the asset to the NFT. The additional information is quite an essential part because it allows them to take the form of art, music, or video in various formats, including JPEG, MP3, MP4, GIF, and others. As with physical assets, the value of NFTs is determined by the market demand for their content.
Because NFTs allow you to establish and confirm ownership of a particular natural or digital asset, non-transferable tokens have so far been used primarily to place exclusive goods for trade, such as music and video, original works of art, various collectibles, trading cards, domain names, and even tweets on the internet.
The fact that non-transferable tokens are traded on a blockchain gives you a lot of freedom and flexibility for NFT crypto projects. Examples of popular NFT crypto projects include CryptoKitties, which may consider the main NFT crypto project that brought non-transferable tokens to the forefront in 2017. CryptoKitties is an Ethereum blockchain-based game that allows players to buy, sell, and breed virtual cats. As for other examples of popular NFT crypto projects, it is Blockchain Heroes, a series of trading cards featuring many well-known personalities in the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry. Prospectors is another famous blockchain-centric game in which players earn untapped tokens based on their performance in the game, which helps them further improve their gameplay. Known Origin is a platform that allows artists to display and sell their original digital artwork and collectibles as untransferable tokens.
The most significant contribution of short-lived tokens so far has been the fact that they have forced gaming and blockchain technology together. As of 2021, NFT technology has proven to grow significantly in the blockchain industry, attracting more users than ever. The potential uses of NFT have gone beyond just games since their introduction to traders.
NFT crypto projects can include any activity that requires identification, tracking, and clear ownership of scarce assets. Many companies in the crypto space and many blockchain projects are exploring the prospects of using non-functional tokens to identify, certify, and provide fractional ownership of assets, both digital and physical. Dapper Labs, the same organization behind CryptoKitties, began collaborating with other cryptocurrency developers on NFTs back in January 2019 to enable interoperability between multiple gaming platforms, which would allow the native non-functional tokens of one platform to be used on another. More recently, quite a few popular mainstream organizations have come forward with NFT cryptocurrencies. These include game developer Ubisoft and the National Basketball Association.
While investing in NFT markets offers many exciting opportunities, the risks involved are also exceptionally high. So keep in mind that if you plan to invest in non-transferable tokens, you first need to understand blockchain technology and the world of NFT and conduct a strategic trade.
NFTs are bought and sold just for digital assets through a designated NFT trading platform like Amazon or Etsy. These marketplaces can be used to buy NFTs at a fixed price or function as a virtual auction similar to an exchange system for buying and selling cryptocurrencies in stock. Thus, the price of NFTs for sale through an auction are volatile and their value changes depending on demand. The higher the market, the higher the price. You need to open and fund a cryptocurrency wallet on the NFT trading platform to bet on these digital assets. Crypto wallet, like digital wallet on an e-commerce platform, stores the cryptocurrency needed to buy NFT. The wallet must be funded with the cryptocurrency needed to buy the target NFT. Many marketplaces support NFT purchases. The best NFT trading platforms include OpenSea, Rarible, SuperRare, and Foundation. Other niche marketplaces specialize in particular assets. For example, NBA Top Shot is owned by the National Basketball Association and sell clips of players performing as NFT. Regardless of the market, a crypto wallet will need to be opened and funded before betting and buying NFTs.
If you have an NFT, you can use the digital asset however you want. You can keep it as a collector's item, show it to the others, or use it as part of a larger digital project. You can also put it up for sale.
Marketplaces charge a fee for selling NFTs. These fees can fluctuate depending on the blockchain network that the NFT uses because the calculation required for validation consumes energy known as a gas fee. To sell a digital asset you own, it must be uploaded to a trading platform of your choice, provided the trading platform supports the blockchain on which NFT was built. From there, you can put it up for sale at a set price or select an auction-style auction where buyers bid. Once uploaded, the trading floor will verify the asset. After the sale, the trading floor will process the transfer of the NFT from the seller to buyer and the transfer of the cryptocurrency to your wallet, minus the listing fee and other related blockchain computation costs.
Thank you a lot for watching this video. Check out the channel for more videos.